Welcome. This is how to fix iPhone camera won't focus up close. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is just simply cleaning your lens. So guys, a simple clean on your lens can fix the issue because iPhone camera when it's dirty, it won't focus up close, so you have to clean your lens. Now if it still doesn't work guys, you could just simply open up your camera and try focusing on the specific item or specific object. Try not to get too close on the specific subject that you are trying to take a picture with, and that might help. But if it doesn't, you could just simply go ahead and restart the application by double tapping the home screen. And from here, just simply close the camera app. And from here, just simply reopen the app, and this should fix the issue. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.